How to clean filter on Meaco Dehumidifier. As you can see, mine is heavily used because I'm using it in my dog salon. So how you can clean the filter? All you have to do is to just rotate it to the back side, and here is this filter. If I zoom in, you can see how it's dirty. You have to clean it to keep it maintained and speed up the process. So grab this filter like this. I'm gonna put it on the table and you can clean it with the vacuum cleaner or the blow dryer. So if you have the vacuum cleaner at home, you can just suck all these little parts. So let me just do it on my own. Now you can just put back the clean filter like this, and it should click. And now you can run it. As you can see, now it's clean and it should work more properly. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.